Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Honda CR-V Cruise Control. First, familiarize yourself with the cruise control buttons, typically found on the right side of your steering wheel. You will see a main button, along with SET/, Res/plus, and cancel controls. Understanding these controls is the initial step to safely and effectively using your vehicle's cruise control system. This feature helps maintain a consistent speed on highways, reducing driver fatigue during long journeys. It's a convenient tool for many drivers. To begin, press the main button on your steering wheel. A green indicator light will illuminate on your dashboard, confirming the system is active and ready for use. This doesn't mean cruise control is engaged yet, only that it's powered on. Ensure you are traveling at a speed above 25 miles per hour, as the system typically requires a minimum speed to function. This initial step prepares your vehicle for automated speed maintenance. Once the system is active, accelerate to your desired cruising speed, for example, 65 miles per hour. Then firmly press the SET/ button. Your vehicle will now maintain this speed automatically. To increase your speed, press RES/plus briefly. Each press typically adds 1 mile per hour. To decrease, press SET/. Holding these buttons will adjust speed more rapidly. This allows for precise speed management. To temporarily disengage cruise control, simply press the cancel button or lightly tap your brake pedal. The system will pause, but your set speed remains in memory. If you wish to resume your previous set speed, press the RES/plus button. This is particularly useful after slowing down for traffic or exiting a highway. To completely turn off the system, press the main button again, extinguishing the dashboard indicator light. This ensures full manual control.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.